Experiencing game launch crashes and performance lag after a fresh system setup can be incredibly frustrating. I've personally faced these exact issues and spent considerable time testing numerous solutions. Finally, I discovered multiple effective methods to resolve these common gaming problems, and I'm eager to share them with you to get your games running smoothly. This guide will help you fix game launch crash performance lag after fresh install, ensuring a stable gaming experience. First, updating your system drivers is crucial because outdated graphics or chipset drivers often cause instability, leading to crashes and poor frame rates. Proper drivers ensure your hardware communicates correctly with the game. Next, verifying game file integrity is vital. Corrupted or missing game files can prevent a game from starting or cause unexpected errors during play, so checking them ensures all necessary data is present and correct. Then, optimizing your system settings improves overall performance by freeing up resources. Background applications and inefficient power plants steal processing power, causing lag, so managing these helps your game run better. Lastly, addressing software conflicts is key. Other programs running in the background or outdated system libraries can interfere with games, leading to crashes or poor performance, so resolving these conflicts brings stability back to your setup. These steps together will restore your gaming experience.